Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how much is the RAM and internal storage availability in the MI Note 10 Lite mobile. So this is a 8 GB and 128 GB variant, and I did not install any applications at the moment, as you can see. Even I did not even sign in the Google Play Store as well. So let me open the settings and show you how much is the RAM available and internal storage. And before that, I'll also do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of all the videos of the MI Note 10 Lite, so you can find plenty of videos which are already uploaded. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel friends, because even I'll be doing plenty of reviews on Redmi Note 9 as well. So very soon I'll be doing a lot more videos on the Redmi Note 9. And let's get started with this RAM availability. So let me close all the applications, and once you clear all the applications, so on the top you can see here clearly the how much amount of RAM available. So 5.5 GB for 8 GB of RAM. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page, so where I'll be posting the camera samples of the MI Note 10 Lite, and even in the Telegram group as well. So even in the Telegram group I'll be posting the camera samples and other related videos. And 5.5 GB of RAM is available out of 8 GB. And let me show you the internal storage, how much it is available. So you can clearly see 110 GB of storage is available out of 128 GB. So this is the overall RAM and internal storage availability on the first time when you boot up your phone in the MI Note 10 Lite. And definitely I'll be doing the display comparison videos with other smartphones, how the display of the MI Note 10 Lite looks when you compare with the other phones. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting plenty of videos very soon in each and every day. And do let me know what are the videos you want me to do on this phone in the comments below. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.